That's a pretty tall swinging ride here at the Florida State Fair, ladies and gentlemen. Then we got a roller coaster over here called the Outlaw. We're getting ready to send that swing ride up in the sky. We'll turn it around to that when they get it going. That's the Outlaw Roller Coaster. Get your giant cheese sticks here. Okay, you're sending it up. This is the Thunderbird. They're playing some Billy Joel. That's certain to get me warned. Let's come over here and wait for Billy Joel. You can get your giant cheese sticks here, folks, for pizza. You can ride the Nitro. Infinity, that's what they call that. It's not the fireball, it's not the wheel of fire, the king of fire, no! It's the Infinity. This Carnival group's got all the good rides. They're just all called something different than what you're used to hearing. Ladies and gentlemen, there's the one I wanted to show you. You see it over there? In all her glory. The Colossus. Look at how those cars swing, folks. I want you to see how these cars swing on the Colossus. Hearing that Billy Joel song again. Hopefully they'll let me erase that song when it comes down right down to it. This is called the Typhoon. Watch the way those cars move around. Right now, I think they're getting ready to load and unload. Get over here where at least I got 2 or 3 musics playing at once. Yeah, the thing kicks up sideways. The Infinity. The Outlaw. Cliffhanger. That's got the real name.